Hi, everyone. If your work involves a computer, you know how critical it is to have reliable IT. A bad or slow connection or video that drops out can mean the difference between business success and failure. RabbitRun Technologies provides reliable business communication for small office and home office remote workers, and their timing couldn't be better. Joining us now are RabbitRun's founder, Pat Saavedra, CEO Eric Hernandez, and VP of Channel Sales and Marketing, Brad Fisher. There we
Hi,
are.
Cindy.
Okay. Hi, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Eric, I want to start with you. Tell us a little bit about RabbitRun because we all need this right now.
Sure, would be happy to. So RabbitRun is a new company based in St. Petersburg, Florida. And as you mentioned, we are a solution that's aimed at the SOHO market. That's small office and home office workers. And we call ourselves SD-WAN, and that's just an acronym that means that we fix your internet connection. So as anybody who's been working over the past year is aware that most work is done online nowadays. And that means when you have a glitch in your internet connection, it can really be disruptive to the flow of a meeting. When there is a problem, it smooths it over and you don't really notice it. The call does not drop and you can just continue as if nothing happened.
Now, Pat, how did you get started and how are you different from your competition?
Well, 3.5 years ago, I had a look at the market, a space I'm very familiar with, the SDN and SD-WAN space, and I thought, there's a completely underserved sector of that market, and that is the small office, home office market. I wasn't really thinking of, mostly home office. It was actually mostly small office, but the world changed, and here we are. Kind of lucky, I suppose, on one side, but very unlucky that happened, and that's COVID-19. And as a result, I could see that small businesses needed just as much SD-WAN features and attributes as their larger competitors did, if not more, in order to compete in this market space. And so that's where it began. And listen, getting a product to a small office, home office at enterprise grade and at prices that they can afford is easier said than done. But we cracked that code. It took us several years. We did it. We call it our metadata traffic controller. This is the beginning of our differentiation against all of our competitors. As you ask what makes us different, well, we can deliver these technologies to enable these customers to digitally transform, work from home, site to cloud, fail over without losing live calls, connections, video meetings like this one here, but they can afford it. And that was the big key. So for me, being able to take that technology, morph it into something that can sit more as an intelligent, agile edge device at the customer prem, that was the trick. And once we did that, there was no looking back.
Well, it's never been more important than it is right now. Eric, tell us about your new go-to-market program.
Well, the thing is, these solutions tend to be a little bit complicated, and generally, when you're working with large enterprise type customers, they have whole staffs, IT staffs dedicated to making this work. In the small office and home office situation, though, that's not always the case. So what we tried to do was to come up with a solution that really fits everybody's needs in that sector, but make it very simple. And that means two things. Number one is our solution is delivered completely as a service. That means there's no equipment to buy, no other third parties to get involved. You can get everything from us for a low monthly fee. And so that includes, importantly, the 4G data connection, because one of the great parts of our solution is it includes a 4G modem. So that means when your main internet connection is having trouble, you can pull in that data connectivity from the cellular network and use it to augment or even completely replace your original connection.
All right. Now, Brad, I see that RabbitRun has been in the news this year with product awards and noted as a channel influencer for 2021. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. Be happy to. We've had a great year with recognition and awards that have come our way. And the first one we did get this year was the Remote Work Award. From the start, we've aimed this at the remote worker, small office, remote worker, home office, and it was a great fit for that. And this award was based on new solutions coming out for the pandemic to address the remote work and the work at home, and our solution fit right in. So that was a fairly natural one, but a great award to win. Then we also won the SD-WAN Product of the Year. That and the remote work were both from a company called TMCnet. And they recognized us on that one for our SOHO SD-WAN router as well, as a new type of SD-WAN technology, different from a lot of the other ones in the market. So our unique solution rang true in that one as well. And then the last one, channel influencer. Our go-to-market strategy is through partner companies, IT companies, managed service companies, resellers that take our product and bring it to their customers. So with that, we are a channel-only company. We came out of the gate as a new company, as a channel focus, and we were noted by channel partners and Channel Futures as an influencer because we had this different product and this go-to-market, which didn't involve direct sales. It was it was really about our technology and about our go-to-market, and they thought that we were going to be recognized with that. So that's a great one to win as well.
Well, congratulations on all the accolades. Now, Pat, you recently announced some exciting news with the University of Ottawa. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, we're fully engaged. We're looking at innovating in the space of SOHO, SD-WAN, and SDN, but from a different perspective. There's one thing I heard throughout the engagement with the university, and it came from one of the professors, and that was going beyond the human engineer intuition. That has stuck with me, and I think to me that says it all, because by taking the metadata that we currently use in our metadata traffic controller, extending it a little bit, and then pulling metadata, or let's just say additional information from different parts of the system that you normally wouldn't look at, and then use that in the decision process, whether you go hang a left on ISP number 2 or hang a right on ISP number 1, or whether you're going to change that this application goes before that application for clear quality voice under any circumstances and things like that. If you're pulling data from all of those areas, you can make more informed decisions. And so that's what we're doing. And it really excites me that they bring this new level of engineering and understanding and knowledge to the table. We're able to capitalize on that and take their knowledge of learning, from a machine perspective, and applying it to our real-time day-to-day operations.
All right, Eric, really quickly, what does the future hold for RabbitRun?
Well, our go-to-market strategy is to work purely with partners. So we don't sell directly to end users. We sell through the channel, and our channels are our lifeline. So we're all about bringing together an ecosystem that makes our partners more successful. So really, it's the future is all about finding ways to integrate other solutions and make our solution more valuable, so that we can in turn make our partners more valuable to their end customers.
Okay, and Pat, for somebody who's watching right now, who's working from home, or who has a small business who needs this, and they say, I want this yesterday, how quickly can they get it up and running?
Eric, you said it the other day in a meeting. I hate saying plug and play, but the thing's plug and play. That's pretty much it. I mean, our goal is to do this in a touchless manner, so that you don't have to, it's a zero touch. Like, you don't have to touch the modems that are there. You don't have to touch the existing equipment. We're able to get to the device no matter where we are in the world, and just passing that along and making it really easy to install. Not only is that our goal, but it's our passion.
Okay, and Brad, I'm going to give you the last word. Where can people at home get more information and get in touch?
We're available all online. So obviously our website, www.rabbitrun.io. We are on LinkedIn and Twitter as RabbitRun, and they can get a hold of us any of those things. We have contact us on our website, and we're available on those other platforms as well.
All right, gentlemen, interesting stuff. Good to know. Boy, do I need you. Thank you all very much for joining us today. And again, it is rabbitrun.io for more information. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you for watching.